Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to adjust volume in one track in Audacity. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Audacity app on your PC. Once the application launches and your project loads, you'll need to select the specific portion of audio you want to work with. At the top of your screen, you'll see the selection tool. Click on it to activate this tool, which allows you to highlight and isolate specific parts of your audio track. Now, with the selection tool active, click and drag across the section of audio where you want to adjust the volume. This could be a word, a sentence, or any portion of your track that needs volume adjustment. You'll see the selected area highlighted, indicating which part of the audio will be affected by your changes. Once you've made your selection, direct your attention to the left side of your screen. Here you'll notice a volume slider next to your audio track. This slider is your primary control for adjusting the volume of the selected portion. The way it works is quite straightforward. If you drag the slider to the right, it will increase the volume of your selected audio, making it louder. Conversely, if you drag the slider to the left, it will decrease the volume, making that section quieter. This gives you precise control over the audio levels in specific parts of your track. After adjusting the volume slider to your preferred level, it's important to test your changes before finalizing them. In the top toolbar, locate and click the play button. This will play back your audio so you can hear how the volume adjustment sounds in context with the rest of your track. Listen carefully to ensure the volume level is exactly where you want it. Now, if you want to adjust the volume of the entire audio track instead of just a portion, the process is similar but even simpler. Click the selection tool at the top again, and this time double-click anywhere on the audio waveform. This action will automatically select all the audio in your track, highlighting the entire waveform from start to finish. With all the audio now selected, look again at the volume slider on the left side of your screen. Adjust it to the right to increase the volume of the entire track, or to the left to decrease it. Once you've made your adjustment, click the play button in the top toolbar to test how the entire track sounds with the new volume level. And that's it. You now know how to adjust volume in specific sections or across your entire track in Audacity. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.